Ito yung Valentine's card na binigay ng aking paparazzi. Pinadala niya dito. Na-receive ko ng Asiti. Ayan. Ang sweet-sweet naman pala eh. Gusto niyo mabasa ko ano yan oh. Sabi niya. February 14, 2014. Me, happy Valentine's. Remember always, mahal na mahal kita. Hope you never change to. Butihan ko work dito cause I like na mag-stick ka na rito after na mag-graduate si Remark. Baby needs you lot kasi lumalaki na siya at need niya always your guidance and love. At syempre gusto ko lagi tayo magkatabi baka. I have so many plans in our married life, especially to our family after so many trials na pinagdaanan natin. Nalagpasan natin lahat yun, in God's will. Pero masarap din pala pag maraming trials kasi lalo tayong tumatamis. Ngit mo. Hihi, kahit na 40s na tayo parang paring walang kupas, walang dapat ikahiya kasi it's love. Lastly, love you, miss you, lot mwah. Mercy 1623 forever, love lots, Hair Marisa. Diba? Ano ba to? On Valentine's Day, it means so much to share warm touch and keep in touch. I miss you so much when you is not here. I think about you all the time, more now that we is apart, and I keep a special place for you inside my heart. Totoo ba to? Ayan pa, nagpadala pa ng picture nila ng chikiting. Ayan. Yan siya. Yan siya, walang magawa. Yan. Advance na advance ah. Ayan me. Pinadala mo. Wala eh. Saksi ah. Valentine's wishes for you across the miles. Tingnan mo na lang. Thank you me. Love you.